A friend of mine actually told me about Experiences and hooked me up with this website, and I filled out all the information. It was very easy, very intuitive. I was able to upload experiences for my ceramic studio. It's great for small businesses who are just starting out. I don't have a lot of space. I don't have my own studio yet, but I can still teach people even just here in my garage, and Experience really lets me do that. I love the fact that they came out with professional equipment and a model, and they filmed and took photos and created all this beautiful content, because that is something I really struggle with as an artist. I'm very confident making art. I'm very confident teaching people how to make art, but I really struggle marketing, teaching people to make art. Being able to have this content created, photographs, video, editing, social media, marketing, websites, all of this stuff is so far out of my wheelhouse. I just want to make art, and I just want to teach other people how fun it is to make art. So it's so great that Experience is a platform that can help me get the word out about the art I create and hopefully gather a lot of students that I can teach to make really amazing stuff.